These days, you like your things compact and easy to carry. Smaller is better, right? That's true for your personal alarm as well. You'd like something that isn't bulky in your purse or your bag. And of course, you wouldn't want something that looks conspicuous, would you? Well, here's something you'd have no trouble taking with you. From Flippo, one of the makers of exceptional security and safety gadgets in the market today, comes the Mini Personal Alarm. Sleek and compact in design, the Mini Personal Alarm may very well be the smallest personal alarm you can put your hands on. You can virtually conceal in the palm of your hand. But whoa, don't underestimate its minute belt. Inside it is packed in the capability to give off an ear-splitting 101 decibel shrieking alarm. How loud is that, you ask? Well, that is as loud as a jackhammer at 1 meter. Loud enough, isn't it? Now that'll truly draw attention to you. Here are some technical details of the Flippo Mini Personal Alarm. It has a 101 decibel sound alarm, a clip-on attachment, a built-in keychain attachment, a concealed on and off button, compact and sleek design, and uses an LR44 or AG13 battery, which is included. Deter any possible attackers by just squeezing the unit on both sides. The alarm will surely surprise those crooks and will send them away scampering in total confusion. The Mini Personal Alarm fits easily into your pocket, purse, suitcase, or backpack. Clip it on your arm or wrist or make it your keychain. It's up to you. Take it with you during early morning jogs and when you go about your day's business, and when you go walking home at night or crossing a dark parking lot to your car. Order now and have it for a very affordable price. With a Flippo Mini Personal Alarm, you'll have security and peace of mind at the palm of your hand.